stupid bird flies into my car over and over again because he sees his reflection and he thinks he's attacking himself because it's mating season. Now he just went under my car to go ahead and attack the other side. Now as you can see, my car hasn't been washed in a very long time in hopes that he'd stop doing this. And all there is bird poop all around my car. It's like every time he bounces off, he poops himself. I don't think it's the same bird. There's peck marks all over my car. And you can actually probably see them from here.